Alright guys, this is the N54 VRSF 7-inch intercooler installed in clip here. Once you get the intercooler out, you need to start taking off this clamp on the passenger side. This is a pressure clamp, so there's no actual screw that you can loosen up. So we had to cut it off with a dremel. And once you get that off, you'll be able to take that hose off, which I'll show in a second. This one here is the 45-degree little joint that comes, the hose that comes with the kit, and the charge pipe, up pipe piece. And we had to take off this coolant hose that I'm pointing at here in order to get that slid down. You have to remove the factory one in order to get that in there. This is the 90-degree elbow piece that comes with the kit. And once you get everything up there, you want to get the clamps on there before you put anything else on. You're going to want to trim up this induction piece. Use the dremel again, as well as the tin snips, just to grab the edges and stuff. Now we're finally able to start getting this pressure clamp off on the passenger side. It took a while to cut through it.
You can pull it off.
And it is definitely on there with some pressure. So you're going to want to try to get that clamp all the way off and then just pull hard.
He said, but you know what? I could tell by the noise that the crowd was really big. You can't hide that. You can't hide it.
Oh, is there another one?
Alright, now we're finally getting it off. And you're going to want to clean up the oils and all that stuff from the actual piping up there. You can see we had to cut through that whole thing. It was a pain. It took us a while.
That was definitely the tool.
But this hose right here is replaced with an adapter hose in the kit. The instructions from VRSF also say to tighten these clamps as tight as possible, so you definitely want to do that. And here we've got all of our hoses fitted. We're doing some test fitting. Everything's lining up here and making sure that we get everything
I wonder if I put it up too
hooked
high.
in place, and
Move.
we'll start tightening on these clamps.
Oh shit, that's good for a minute.
I believe it was a 10mm on those.
You like that, YouTube?
Like me to be.
Show that here.
Once you get all your clamps put back in, tightened up,
I saw someone do
everything's all lined up, you're going to want to put those screws in on the sides of the intercooler. Make sure not to over tighten them because it will strip the plastic out. We had to actually replace one of ours with a random hex bolt that we had sitting around in the tool chest, as you see here. And then make sure that you have both of the mounting brackets installed right on the sides. So we took our bumper off to do this one. It's just these 4 T30s at the top, and then some 8mm in the fender well. And you have to pull back the wheel well liner in order to get to them on the top, as you can see here. So there's one right there, and then the other one is closer towards the headlight, as you can see there. And then it's just the other visible ones that you can see in the